and welcome to Santino's Mangia. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, leave a like. Well, it's been 12 days since we've had it under the salt, and now we're going to wash off all the salt with cool water. Just make sure you get all the salt completely off, and then you just tap it down and get all the moisture off. Make sure that you're going to have it nice and dry as you can get it. Once we get to that spot, then we're going to soak it in wine. Any wine will do. I use my homemade wine. And you just soak it up with the wine. Then you tap it dry again. And then you'll get your spices. I use cayenne, paprika, black pepper, chili pepper. Then make sure that you'll put in a good quantity, so don't be cheap on it. Cover it right up with your different spices. First I'll do the cayenne, then I'll put the chili, and then the paprika and the black pepper all over it. The next thing we do is we put it away. I say put it to bed, let it hang for 12 months. And once it's all done, I take it out, and sometimes I leave it as a full piece, or I like to cut it into chunks where my family, my kids like to have pieces of it. So I cut it up, and I'll vacuum pack some slices where I put it in the fridge, or I cut it up in chunks and put it in the fridge. So that's part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you again. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and please subscribe so you can get always caught up with all our videos. Thanks again.